Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do the double seeds knit stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to knit, how to purl, and how to cast on. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those three things. So to get started, you want to cast on multiples of 4 plus 2. So for row 1, you are going to knit 2 and then purl 2 and repeat this until the end of the row. So again, that's knit 2, purl 2. Alright, for row 2, you're going to turn your work and you're going to do the repeat of purl 2, knit 2. And you will repeat this until your last 2 stitches where you end with purling 2. Turn your work. Row 3 is going to be exactly as row 2. So you're going to start off by purling 2 and then knitting 2. And you'll repeat this until the end of the row and your last 2 stitches will be purled. So for row 4, you are going to knit 2 and purl 2 and repeat that until the end of the row and then knit the last 2 stitches. So again, the repeat is going to be rows 1 through 4. And row 1, you will start off by knitting 2 and then purling 2 until you get to the end and you will knit your last 2 stitches. Rows 2 and 3 are doing a purl 2, knit 2, and then finishing off with 2 purl stitches at the end. And the 4th row is knit 2, purl 2, ending with 2 knits at the end. And there you have it. That is how you do the double seed stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I hope that you have a happy knitting day.